And you guys, we are super late in the game to get our water set up. This is our winter setup solution this year. See if it works a little bit better than last year. I'm sure it will. Make sure you watch. Good morning, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today, it's a little cold. It's not that bad, I guess. It's 34 right now, but this morning, it was cold. It was like 22, 25 degrees, something like that. So came out here, chicken water was frozen. I've been procrastinating on getting their heated water up. So I think today's the day, because I don't want to play that game over and over and over again. It's time to put it in. And since we switched to an outside water because we're trying to, you know, have better results with the deep litter method, because I completely did that wrong last time. So we're moving the water outside. We just need to modify a couple things, and we want to make a cover so that way the snow is not falling directly on the water and it doesn't get completely covered. This scrap wood we got here, we just ripped apart Kylie's old bed. The miss just built her a new one. So I got some nice 2x3 scraps we're gonna use to build a frame and a stand, and then we'll just cover it up with some plywood. I might throw some paint on, I might not, I don't know. So I don't have permanent power in here now. I have this extension cord for the winter, and I think it's just about time that we put our light on so we get a few more eggs than 5 a day would be great. So it goes into the back there, drilled a hole, and we're gonna bring it all the way up through, and then down here in this corner, we're gonna build a little frame for our water, and we'll just drill a hole right through there, plug our power in, we should be good to go. So I was considering using plywood as a base, but I decided the 2x3s and slat design might be better. It gives us a little bit of airflow into there, just so everything dries out pretty good. So the sides we're gonna cover on this are this little area right here, and we're gonna do it back here, the front, and then we'll obviously do a roof. The side here towards the door and the ramp will be open. That way the wind whipping up the hill is not hitting directly on the water and blowing a bunch of snow into there. Hopefully keep it as clean as possible. You guys, I managed to find some white exterior paint we had sitting around. Let's get a quick coat on here. We're not even gonna wait for it to dry, we're just gonna throw it up. It'll look better than this, so. Man, I'm trying not to get paint all over me. I think the mist will kill me if I get paint on this jacket. Like I said, there's nothing perfect. These two are gonna be where it's secured. It'll rest on this third one. That way the snow load, I don't think would affect it. There's gonna be a little gap down here. I don't really care. It should keep most of the wind and snow out of the water. Let's cut this final top piece, get the roof on. All right, I got this top piece, the roof cut.
Try to get it on without getting paint all over me. So I painted the back and the side over there where I'm not gonna be able to access after I mount it. But this I think that's it, guys. Maybe I'll paint a little bit of the inside down there, just so if water splashes, it won't mess it up even more. Hopefully it helps save the wood a little bit. I don't know how much it's gonna do, it's already... You guys, I really wanted to do this outdoor cover for this. This is our heater right here, or this is the waterer right here, but the heater on the bottom. And we only use this one season, and that's a pretty good amount of corrosion. So I wanted a nice dry place for this so we can use this as long as possible. You know, I don't want to buy another one. They're not cheap, so hopefully this can push out the lifespan on this heated base. It's also going to help our deep litter method stay dry, which is essential when you're using that. All right, we got that all set in. We've got some farmhouse or homestead wire tucking right there. Bam, 2 screws, holds the wire where you want it to go. Let's get this thing in there. Oh, perfect. Plenty of room to remove the top and use that. Let's get this thing hooked up. All right, this thing is in. Check to make sure it's heating for the season. Boss man, what do you think? Boss man, I don't know if you're the boss anymore if you have no tail anymore, but your little rooster babies might be your boss now. All right, this is the one we were using for the summer. You can hear the ice shaking around in there. It is time to retire this thing until spring. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you supporting our channel. If you would, if you're not already, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out as we grow and expand our homestead. We provide new content every Friday and Monday. Make sure you hit the bell notifications, that way you're updated.